Quality, competence, innovation and customer orientation govern our thinking and actions every day at Kogel. The brand new item on the marketplace is the so-called hybrid quick opening mechanism. With its intelligent combination of frame and closing technology, the system allows reduction of handling time for opening and closing. Opening takes place in just 36 seconds, i.e. releasing the winding shaft, actuating the switch for the locking points and then opening the tarpaulins. It takes less than 30 seconds to draw the tarpaulins, to tension them with the winding shaft, and then to close them automatically via the rotary switch. Kogel uses a standard tarpaulin for the new quick opening mechanism. This takes up only 1.9 meters in the closed condition. This means that the Kogel cargo trailer with quick opening mechanism has a through loading width of over 11 meters. Kogel is offering a hybrid concept, opening and closing possible both pneumatically and conventionally. More info at www.kogel.com.
D-Tech designed the new S-Line container trailers. The design values are: save fuel and maintenance costs, simple to use for everyone, solid quality by using high-strength quality steel, safety overall, also in load distribution, sight for your representation. The flexi-trailer traction is one of the multifunctional S-Line container trailers, specially designed to have enough traction with a heavy 20-foot container on the rear position. The empty weight is 4.5 tons. Save 1,500 kilo. Save 1,500 liter diesel per year. Safety by sufficient traction, over 25% plus on driven axle. Simple, container on the right place, no sliding, less weight and maintenance. Simple, to move the front beam due to solid bearings. The flexi-trailer traction is also suitable for 30-foot containers and for 40-foot containers or 2 times 20 foot. Ausgezeichnetes Fahrverhalten, deutlich mehr Traktion und ein sehr kurzer Wendekreis.
It must be considered that the energy sources available to us are not unlimited, and as such should be used with great care. A considerable amount of energy is created and wasted every time the brakes are applied to a typical triaxle trailer. The corner recuperation research trailer has great significance in our company, and it reflects the challenges we've set ourselves over many years to understand and exploit the benefits of energy-efficient transport. When braking, the kinetic energy produced by a 40-ton heavy goods vehicle is converted into thermal energy, which is released into the atmosphere. Using recuperation technology, we harness the kinetic energy, convert it into electric power, and feed it back into the vehicle. The special feature about the research trailer is its new axle technology. Accordingly, a revolutionary generator axle is being developed specifically for the recuperation project. Also, a dedicated electronic system is being developed to operate in conjunction with specially adapted battery technology. Although the battery technology is making huge progress, it is nonetheless very expensive. However, with continued research and development, it will undoubtedly reap future rewards as it becomes cost-effective and economically viable. The commercial benefits for the customer are considerable. After all, if you don't release energy into the atmosphere, but instead harness and reuse it elsewhere on your vehicle, the savings in fuel and running costs will soon be seen on the bottom line. Energy produced through everyday transport should not be lost to the atmosphere. For that reason, Corner continues to explore the opportunities available to us through the application of recuperation technology.